Okay, so once you get onto this landing page, what you can do is click on get this. And once you click here, you will need to enter your name, email ID, what you are facing. Currently, I have not charged anything for this project. And when you click on confirm and pay, you will get a zip file. So I will just show you because I have it on my profile. And in this zip file, you have multiple things. So if I can just show it quickly, you have docs and you have all the data. So first let's go through the docs. In docs you have four different documents. One of them is problem statement. So in this problem statement you will have like a clear problem statement what is to be done. So let me just get it here. And here you can see that the business problem is a tech gadget company is experiencing a severe decline in overall marketing efficiency over the past quarter. They have increased their marketing budgets by 40%, but their total revenue has only grown by 12%. We are spending more to acquire customers, but we do not know exactly where the waste is happening. So your goal as a data analyst is to build a Power BI dashboard that allows the chief marketing officer to quickly identify these three core issues. So basically there is a company who has seen severe decline in their marketing efficiency and they want to identify what is happening. So they want to identify the cost crisis, like which specific channel or campaign are eating up their budget. There is some domain term called as cost per acquisition in marketing that you can see it, and I'll show you where you can find all of those information in. Then you have the creative disconnect and the ROI gap. So this is your problem statement. Then you have a meeting notes. So basically what happens when you're working in a data analytics project is there is some business meeting, and out of that business meeting all of this requirement comes in, and then you create a data analytics project. So as you can see here, I have given you the attendees, I have given you the problem statement again here, and this is like a transcript of what they were talking about and what they wanted. So you can read through this as a part of the requirements gathering. Then you have a business knowledge document. When I say business knowledge document, before even jumping onto the dashboard, a lot of times you need to determine that what is the actual business term or the domain knowledge, I would say, right? So that's why here I have explained it with a clear definition and an example of all of what those terms mean. So as you can see, spend, impression, clicks. So this is where you will also develop some domain knowledge when you're working on this project. So you can go through this document and understand the domain terms. Once you have understood the problem statement, the meeting notes, the business knowledge, the next thing is to look at the metric list. When we say metrics list, this is just a description of how to calculate anything. So all the formulas and whatever metrics we are trying to track here are in this document. You can actually take a look when you download it. Once you have gone all of these documents, you have a metadata. So if anyone is not aware, metadata is basically information about your data. So I have this dim campaigns, dim channels, dim creatives, dim dates, dim targets, fact conversion, and fact marketing performance. Here you have a metadata which will give me information about, let's say I have this table called as dim campaign. In dim campaign, I have this three columns called as campaign ID, campaign name, objective, and target audience, and what those columns mean. So when you're working on a real life data analytics project, this is where you need to understand your data, understand the business terms, and then go on building your Power BI dashboards. Then I have divided the data into dimension table and fact tables. So this is where you can also do data modeling around it. So this is a high level overview of what you can expect from this project, and I am setting up a 1 month deadline for this. So let's say from today, which is 1st of March, what we will do is until 1st of April, you guys can work on this project, and once you have completed the project, you can just upload your project explaining what you did, how you did, document your project in Power BI, and document your project in GitHub and tag me. So you can just tag me. I'll just share my LinkedIn quickly. So this is my LinkedIn, Nitish Galat. You can just tag me and I'll evaluate and give you feedback on your dashboards. Why this helps? Because whenever I give you feedback, you will be able to understand how well the dashboard could be and what else should be there. So in this way, we will try to come up with someone who has done very best and we will showcase, and I'll also post his dashboard so that he'll get more visibility. As I have around 15,500 followers, so you will get more visibility and someone from the recruiting team or any other team might reach out to you based on the performance. So this is kind of like a monthly challenge, I would say. So let me know in the comments what you think of it, and just comment project and I'll share the link to the project with you guys so that you can start with it. Thank you so much.